Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining the family. If you end up enjoying this makeup transformation video, please don't forget to like and leave your comments in the comment section below. So like I said, today we have a transformation video. I'll be doing a makeup look that was inspired by Samir on my model today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm trying out this new technique of me talking through this video, so let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you like this style of video, or do you prefer me just doing a voiceover? Alright, so let's get into this video. First, I start out with cleaning her face, and for cleaning her face, I'm using wipes and micellar water. I use this one from L'Oreal, and I just use that to gently wipe her face down, just to remove any little dirt that I missed while I initially cleaned her face. Alright, so once I'm done, I want to go in with my moisturizer. I lay out my moisturizer, I go in with the primer, and I also go in with an illuminator. So for this look, I actually wanted a little glow here and there. So after my primer, I went in with my illuminator. Guys, I'm so sorry, I didn't know my camera was not recording the foundation process, but I basically just matched a foundation really well, and I applied that on her face, which covered her face pretty well. And as you can see, the coverage is just amazing. I went in with my concealer. For this concealer, I used my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I think I kind of mixed two shades together at this point, and I just applied that on the high points of her face where I would naturally want light to fall on and to bring out. And before I blended in that concealer, I went in with my mist, my face mist. I really like to do this process like this because it kind of softens out the blend when I end up going in with my beauty blender. And so once I apply the face mist, I go in with my beauty blender. I just apply that. I use that to blend out the concealer that I just applied on her face. You just want to do that really gently. You don't want to move any product. Just blend it such a way that it stays where you want it to stay. And you can see that our high points are really highlighted, which is what you want to achieve. And then I went in with a soft contour. I used the Makeup Revolution contour palette for this, and I used a really light shade in that contour palette. And this is because, yes, I want to give her a cream contour, but I also want it to be as soft and subtle as possible, which is what I try to achieve with this contour. And once I was done with that contour, which I used my beauty blender to blend, of course, I went in with my setting powder. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just literally setting her face with my Makeup Revolution setting powder in banana. I'm just setting the high points, basically the places where I initially highlighted with the concealer. And once I am done with that, I just do that really carefully, guys. You don't want to move products, you want to set it where you have put them. And then I go in with my Makeup Revolution contour powder palette. The first time I used the cream palette, this time I'm using the powder palette to set the contour that I initially applied. And I do this in circular motion, and you want to take it from the ear, the top of the ear, down to her where the cheeks end. That's how you want to apply your contour, and just gives this this shape that you're trying to achieve. Once I was done with that, I went in with a bronzer just to bring in some warmth back into her face, so that her face is not just bland and it's not just just there. Yeah, so once I was done with that, yes, I went into the eyes. So for the eyes, like I said, this video was inspired by Samir. He's a makeup artist here on YouTube, and I really love his job. He created this look on a model, and I absolutely love this, so I thought to recreate it. And with this, I'm going with actually a lipstick. Guys, for this base, I'm using a lipstick palette with this color. I think it's a mauve color, I'm not sure. I just applied that lipstick on her lid as a base, and I went in with a brown eyeshadow, not too dark, and I just applied that at the corners of her eyes, just to blend in that base that I applied initially. And you just want to ensure that you blend it really well. I also went in with a brown eyeshadow again to blend out the corners and everything. Also, guys, here I didn't know that my camera wasn't recording. I lost that clip, but I just went in with my peaches and cream pigment. Yeah, I went with my peaches and cream pigment. I can't remember the name, but I'll leave it on the screen. I just applied that on the base that I showed you guys earlier. You just want to apply it really gently and seamlessly so that everything blends in really well. And as you can see here, I'm applying the gel liner just to line our eyes, and I'm taking it as close to the lash line as possible. And I went on to fix her falsies, and this is what we have, guys. I really like this look. It was so simple to achieve but so glam. Once I was done with that, I went in with my mascara and I just used that to bring out our lower lashes, just to give it a little more glam and a little more zoost to it, And yeah, I also went in with my highlighter, but before I did the highlighter, I went in with that same shade that I used for her crease. I used that to smudge her under eye, just to give just to bring the look all together. And I went in with my highlighter. For this highlighter, I used the Dollhouse highlighter. I'm in love with this highlighter, guys. I applied that on the high point of her face where I would want the glow to be on, and I went in with my setting spray just to set what I already have and to remove any form of powdery effect that is going on the face. And once I'm done with that, I go in with my pencil to line her lips. For this pencil, I think I used the LA Girl lip pencil, and I went with my Milani lipstick to fill in her lips. Guys, I really like the lip that I chose for this look. It kind of blends in with the look and it fits her. It's so good on her skin. I really love it. And so once I was done applying that, I also went in with a lighter shade of Milani lipstick as well, just to highlight the middle part of her lips, and to have this ombre effect going on. And yeah, today I didn't do a glossy lip. I decided to go with a matte lip, and I definitely absolutely love it. And to finish up the look, I just went in with my setting spray, sprayed the look down, aired it out, made it dry, and with that we're done with the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I am a makeup artist. For those that don't know, I'm a makeup artist based in Europe, so if you need any makeup services, please do so to check my Instagram. DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my business page on the screen, so be kind enough to send me a DM on Instagram. I will attend to your makeup needs. Thank you so much once again, guys, for always hanging out with me. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to me. Like this video, share with everyone that you can share it with. Leave your comments below as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.